All right, team, this is Professor Blowers again, and we are going to be competing for fun on a Kahoot on Chapter 5 in Microsoft Excel. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, our first question today, the area of the worksheet that contains data or has contained data. Red is worksheet area, blue is active area, yellow is passive area, green is cell area. Again, that's diamond worksheet. That's triangle worksheet, pardon. Diamond active, circle passive, square is the cell area. 3, 2, 1, get those answers in. Okay, so that's known as the active area of the worksheet. Bear with me just a moment. All right. Well done, Jen. And our next question, I'm just going to make sure that the recording is working and we're good. And here's our pal Excel. Next question. This will specify 3 or more criteria for a column and apply criteria to 2 or more columns. Triangle's data filter, diamond criteria filter, circle specific filter, and the squares advanced filter. Data criteria specific or advanced. And that's an advanced filter in Excel. Here's our leaderboard. Here's all the tabs at the top for Excel. And if you're wondering, I know I haven't demonstrated this all too much, but you can always tell Excel what to do, right? So I search for advanced filter, and it's right there under the review tab. And then you enter your list range, criteria range, and you'll notice, oh, bear with me, I skipped ahead. You can use 3 or more criteria on an advanced filter and sift through your data much more efficiently. Question number 3, the comparison operator that requires each and every one of the comparison criteria to be true. Triangle and comparison operator, diamond arrange all, circle autofill, squares autocomplete. Each and every one must be true. Three, 2, 1. There we go. Yeah, and operators like and, or, if you've taken I believe it's statistics or a logic class, these will be relevant. So let's check that out. Jen's caught fire. Well done. Elle's in second. I am in third, followed by Karen, and we've got Alex. Question number 4, if you could tell me the command that tiles all open program windows on the screen. All open program windows on the screen. It's a command. The triangles arrange all, diamond select all, circle paste special, and the square is Control V. And that is arrange all. I know that one might think it would be select all, so make note, arrange all opens all of the windows on the screen in Excel. Well done, Karen. How about this? If you could tell us the restricting records, or when you restrict records using criteria that displays them so they answer a question about the data. We're answering a question about the data. That's the important thing. The triangle is query, diamond is record, circle is scaling, and the square is extracting. In 3, 2, 1. All right. Well done, team. And feel free, I got Teams on another window. So if you have any questions about any of these concepts, feel free to raise your hand. How about this? These are all the categories of data pertaining to one person, place, thing, event, or idea. The triangle is record, diamond is scale, circle is database, and square is list. If you've taken a SQL class or an Access class, this may be helpful in answering your questions. Y'all are doing great, by the way. We've got 3, 2, 1, and that's a record. All the categories of data pertaining to one person, place, thing, event, or idea. A record. I like to think of a phone book, if you will, and Like a record would be like one person's, like their name, their address, their phone number, their email address, and other data about them. That'd be a record. Another one, like in Excel, would be, we've done projects where we have a list or a fake list of students at a college in different departments. And so a record for one student might be their name, their student ID number, their GPA, all of the records that would be relevant to a student at a college, right? And we've got our first fire of the game. Congrats, Elle's taking over the lead. And I'm taking my time. Hey, I'm wondering, what's a command that locates and selects specific text for formatting? Triangle says find, diamond says field, circle is filter, square is flip. Locates and selects specific text for formatting. Whatever could it be? 3, 2, 1, and that's our find command. Controller command F. The fire continues, everybody gets points. Well done. Plenty of time. Hey, this is a command that moves to a specific cell or a range of cells that you specify. The triangle says go to special, diamond is go to, circle is filter, and that's a square saying list. This command moves to a specific cell or range that you specify. And that's just go to. There's go to special, paste special. Paste special is an incredibly important tool in Excel that we covered on the earlier projects, but is something that should be reviewed. Fire continues. Can you tell me a command that moves cells with special characteristics, so constants as opposed to formulas? So the triangle says freeze panes, diamond is go to. Circle says go to special, and square is freeze pane special. And it's unanimous. All right, well done. We're on a roll. The fire continues, and the points keep adding up. How about this? Text or graphics that when you click them, take you somewhere else on a worksheet, another file, a website, etc. The triangle says list. The diamond is HTML. Circle says field, and square is hyperlink. Another unanimous one. Fire continues. The lead grows. All right, this is the process in which only the rows that meet the criteria display. Right? If they meet the criteria, they'll display. The rows that don't are hidden. Well, you got it. For the sake of the video, triangle was field, diamond was filtering, circle split, and square is fine. I gotta catch up. Hey, this is a series of rows. Horizontal rows that contain related data that you can group by adding subtotals. The triangle says link, diamond is hyperlink, circle's fine, square is list. Rows with data. That's our list. Yeah, it took me a second to think about that one too. So imagine a list and you've got, you can collapse it, for example. You can have categories such as, let me see here, athletics department. Okay, at a college athletics department, we have baseball, volleyball, soccer. What else we got at BC? Swimming team? Do we have a swimming team? Let's just say we do. Those are 4 different categories, and you could have within those different categories such as equipment and travel fees, uniforms. And so this list can have subgroups, and you can add all of those together. I hope that makes sense. All right, that fire's catching up. The default file format used by Excel to save. Triangles, doc, diamonds, Excel, circles, XLSX, and y'all got it. Square would have been .csv, which is the second most common file in Excel. Doc is for Word documents, and frankly, I don't use Excel. .xl, I can't say I've used it. All right. Hey, this is a character used to search a field when you're not sure of the exact value or if you want to widen the search. So one of these characters used when you search a field and you don't know the exact value, that's a wildcard. That's right. That would be a wildcard. Something that's also, I believe, used across other programs, wildcards. I'm a bit of one myself. Hey, this is a command that totals several rows of related data together by inserting subtotals. What's that command? The triangle says SplitCommand, diamond is sort dialog box, circle is subtotal command, and the square is row command. We got it. Good job, team. Streak of 3. Fire continues. This is arranging data in a specific order. The triangle says sort, diamond organize, circle chop, and the square is divide with 10 seconds left. Take your time. That's right, that would be a sort. Now, I mean, organize makes sense in a syntax sense. There's a better way to say that. Linguistically organized makes sense, but in Excel, the specific program vocabulary is sort. When you arrange your data in a specific order, that is our sort. And the video appears to be working, and here's our pal Excel. Hello. L has taken the, well, L has caught fire is what's happened. Jen is in second place. Karen's in third, followed by Professor B, and Alex rounding it out. How about this? A term that's sometimes used to refer to the first sort level in the sort dialog box. The triangle's minor sort, diamond's major. Circle is super sort, and the square is sort pane. With 7 seconds left. That's a major sort. So the first sort level is major. Wonder what the next one might be. How about this? A comparison operator that requires only one of the two comparison criteria to be true. Triangle's and comparison operator, diamond is or, circle is comparison query, and the square is comparison record with 10 seconds left. Comparison operator says only one of the two, that's or, that's right. This or that needs to be true. So whatever is in cell Delta 14, D14, if it says either hello or goodbye, return okay, for example. All right, Jen is on fire, highest streak is 6. Everybody's doing great. Hey, this is a portion of the worksheet window bounded by and separated from other portions of the bar. Triangle's window, diamond is pane, circle's record, and the square is scale. Part of the worksheet that is within other portions, but it's bound by bars. Separate from other parts of the worksheet with 3, 2, 1. And that's a pane. And we've learned how to freeze panes, which is really handy if you have data at the top of your Excel worksheet, but you want to keep scrolling down and enter data below. Karen's caught fire. I'm waiting for one. I'm too busy reading. Hey, what does PDF stand for? Potential dog food, please don't front, portable document format, or pane document format. Sorry. PDF, and that's a portable document format. Few more left. The process of restricting records through the use of criteria conditions that'll answer a question about the data. The triangle's record, diamond is query, circle scale, square sorts. You restrict the records. There's various conditions that'll answer a question about your data. Perhaps there's a synonym below. Yep. I'd say query and question are synonymous, and so this is what a query does. and one of the most powerful things that we will do in Excel. I'm moving up. Each question's worth 1,000 points, fake points. But the faster you answer, you know what I mean? So I need to say this more clearly. Each question's worth 1,000 points, 20 seconds per question. The quicker you answer, the more points you get. If you take the full time, you'll have less points, but I think it's more important to get it correct. Well, it's more important to understand the concepts. Okay, so as you're watching this video, feel free, take notes, mark anything that you think that you need to follow up on, and send me a message. Let me know here on Teams or an email. Hey, Professor, I'd like to touch base with you about queries or about this. And we can connect. And it'd be great. It'd be great to see all y'all. 2 more. Arranging text A to Z. Numbers lowest to highest. Dates, times, earliest to latest. Triangle is descending. Diamond's ascending. Circle is horizontal. And square is vertical. Ascending. Ascending order is A to Z, lowest to highest. Ascending, going up. You ascend a mountain, and hopefully you'll descend it too. I climbed Mount St. Helens at the beginning of October, and I ascended that, but going down was a challenge. Jen's caught fire. Sorry, heard a strange noise. Jen, right in the middle of my excitement too. Jen's caught fire, overtaking the lead. It's a fight for first. I don't have quite enough. So between Elle and Jen, wondering. An organized collection of facts related to a specific topic. Is that a database, triangle, extract, diamond, arrange all, circle, filter is our square. Organized collection of facts related to a specific topic. In 3, 2, 1, and that'd be a database. Let's see the podium real quick. All right, in 3rd place, 14,384 points. Hey, I made it. 2nd place, the silver goes to Elle. And in 1st place, 21 out of 23. Hey, congrats. Jen, you are today's winner. We've got our runners up, Karen, Alex. I had a lot of fun with y'all today. I hope you learned a lot. The video is posted on the chat. And and there's no class next week. So I am going to stop the recording really quick. I hope you enjoyed learning about Excel, and I will see you next time. Appreciate it.